In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to the screen in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spotlight viewer messages in real time and keep your audience engaged without breaking your flow. First, open StreamYard. If you're already logged in, you'll land in your dashboard where you can enter a studio. From there, start your live stream or begin a recording. This works the same whether you're broadcasting publicly or just creating a local recording for practice, so feel free to test it out before going live. Once you're inside the studio, take a look at the right side of your screen. You'll see the Comments panel. This is where messages from your viewers appear during your show. StreamYard brings in comments from platforms like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitch. So if you're streaming to multiple destinations, you'll see them all collected here. Each comment shows the viewer's name, their message, and often a small platform icon so you can quickly tell where it came from. When you spot a viewer comment you want to highlight, simply click it in the Comments panel. The moment you do, StreamYard places that comment on top of your video feed as a clean, on-screen overlay. This is great for answering questions, acknowledging supporters, and keeping the conversation interactive. As the host, you don't need any extra setup. Just a single click makes it visible to everyone watching. Once the comment is on screen, you can continue speaking naturally. Refer to the viewer by name, briefly restate their question for clarity, and then provide your answer. If you click a different comment, StreamYard will swap to the new one automatically, which helps you move quickly through multiple questions. And when you're ready to take the comment down, just click the same comment in the panel again. That click toggles it off, removing it from the screen and returning the focus to your video. A few practical tips as you use this feature. Pace yourself so comments don't pile up unaddressed. Choose messages that add value to your topic. And be mindful of timing so you don't interrupt key points with sudden overlays. If you're co-hosting, communicate who will trigger comments so you avoid both clicking at the same time. Also, take a moment before going live to ensure your layout leaves space for the overlay to be easily readable. That's it. With these simple clicks, you can turn viewer messages into dynamic moments that make your stream feel lively, responsive, and professional.